When you have a fault code of a multiple cylinder misfire on a Toyota Highlander hybrid, in this case it's a 2010 Toyota Highlander hybrid. So when you have a multiple misfire, cylinder misfire, what you do is you go to data stream and you take out the cylinders number 1 to 6, identify them, and then when you drive, observe to see the cylinder that is misfiring, because in some cases it will not tell you exactly what cylinder is misfiring. It's just going to write the generic P0300 multiple cylinder misfire. So I'm going to continue driving and we're going to see the cylinder that is misfiring. As you can see, it has picked one but it's misfiring. Let's pick a cylinder that is misfiring. So you can see it increases. We have number 2. Number 2 is misfiring. You see why you need automotive intelligence to fix these cars, eh? Without automotive intelligence, it is gonna be very, very strenuous on your part to carry out maintenance on these hybrid vehicles. It's why you see a lot of cars being parked in the garage, because they don't understand, exactly what is going on. I mean, you cannot guess your way into fixing these hybrid cars. So you see it's misfiring. But when you go back and you want to read the fault codes, okay, it may not even pick it. There you have it. This is the engine compartment for the vehicle. Okay, so this is the 3.3 liter V6 engine. That's the 3MZ FXC. So you have the bank 1 behind and the bank 2 forward. Number 1 cylinder is at the back, number 2 is at the front. So number 2 is the culprit. We've taken the spark plug. It's from Bosch, a double platinum. You can see it has 2 colors, huh? Look closely. You see one is brownish, while the other side is like silver. It's kind of silver, huh? One is brownish, this side is brownish, this side is silver. It means the ignition coil has failed. The high voltage entering here is not enough to ignite the spark on the spark plug. A lot of people will go ahead and change the spark plug. It may not pick up the faulty coil because it brings out spark, but this coil is not bringing the adequate voltage that will enable ignition of the mixture in the engine compartment. So we're going to replace the coil and we're going to go on a test drive to know what's going on.